alone. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah. I go where I want.
What it do, y'all? It's Jack, and I'm back again with another video. Today we have another hair video. But before we get started, guess what? Guess what you need to do? You need to hit that subscribe button, y'all. Yeah, go ahead and do that. It's right there. It's free. You know, it's easy. Go ahead and do that. Yeah, let's get started. So the hairstyle I'm doing today is something I actually saw on TikTok. I filmed this video forever ago, literally months ago. My hair is no longer red, although I love the red. Now it's purple. So I might actually do a video about how I dyed my hair so easily and how I did it with no damage to my hair at all. So if you want that video, let me know. If you want to guess what color I'm doing next, let me know down in the comments. But anyway, so the style I'm doing today is to get heatless curls, you know, curls for the girls, using this Main Choice Serum Oil Mist. I like it. It is very lightweight, but still gives you that shine without, like I said, without being too heavy on your hair. I have really thin hair. Like, I know it doesn't look like it, but I have thin hair and it can be weighed down pretty easily. So just putting that throughout my hair first. And then I'm also using my Ride or Die Lotta Body. I think it's called Wrapping Foam Mousse, something like that. I'll put the link down below and you'll be able to see what it is, but it is the bomb. The bomb. It doesn't give like a super crisp or firm hold, so if that's what you're looking for, you need to add a gel as well. But that's not really what I wanted. I like the fluffy curly look, like effortless kind of. So I don't need a gel, but the Lotta Body will get you right, girl. Will get you right. And then so yeah, you saw me twisting my hair all the way down to the ends. Make sure you get your ends nice and good and flat. And then I'm kind of just bringing it about an inch away from my head and then wrapping it around itself. Here's a little close-up. I heard somewhere that this is called cocoon curls, like from back in the maybe beginning of YouTube days. I don't know, but if I can find an older video, I will also link that down below. But here I am. Let's just see it again since I did not explain it the first time. So I'm putting the Lotta Body in my hair, brushing it through, making sure not to put too much because then your hair will revert back if it's anything like mine. And I'm just taking my time. These back sections honestly weren't that great, but they're underneath, so I didn't mind that much. But I'm twisting all the way down. Twist. When I get to the ends, I usually add a tiniest bit more, and then try to brush it through a little. And see, here you see me. I take the twist about an inch away from my head, and then start twisting the twist around itself. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, oh, this is just Bantu knots, which it probably, I mean, I guess it is some sort of variation of Bantu knots, but this is so, oh, hey, get it? This is so low stress on your hair, if that makes sense. Like, it is not pulling at your hair, kind of like Bantu knots do usually, and Bantu knots are really uncomfortable to sleep in if you do them like right and tight like I do. So I noticed that these were very comfortable to sleep in, and they gave me almost the same look as a Bantu knot. Bantu knots are a little bit tighter for me, a little bit more perfect, but I'm okay with the fun and free type of curl too, as I said before. So yeah, just doing another thing, twist, and let's wrap it up.
Look like art, hot hills, look like art, on it, look like art, look like art, look like art.
Then can we talk about, I actually made like a little heart in my head on accident. Like, the part, I was probably trying to make it somewhat straight, but it clearly wasn't. Okay, bye.
No, don't be looking at me sideways. You can get your friends, it's a party. All these girls here indie, happy I still indie. All I need is good energy, I don't know too many. Looking like a 3-day weekend. Hit it on me then, can't believe it. Oh, they like me now, yeah. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, who you think of me when I'm not around? Jaw hit the ground when you walk around. Looking Looking like, look like art, 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 look like art. Shawty, you look like. I hear you like pina coladas, like that she not one for drama. Yeah, big smile, get it from her mama. Hey, please, that's your shoes before you get my Honda. Looking like.
And then I did just want to add, you can kind of see how the back of my head, there's no like knot curl things or whatever poking out straight back from my head, and I do that on purpose so that way when I go to sleep you can kind of see here it's kind of flat on the back / the top, and I do that on purpose so that way when I go to sleep it is not uncomfortable. Yes, you know, little hack for you. Kind of put them facing the sides, and then when you take them out, you just fluff them out, and they look normal. Yeah.
Dancing, love that is not that romantic. Yeah, I don't have no time for no antics. Smile, smile for the cameras. Oh, they like me now. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, do you think of me when I'm not around? Jaw hit the ground when you walk around. Like.
Alright, so here you can kind of see how it is more flat in the back. There's no knot sticking out straight back, and I do that on purpose, like I said. This is me the next morning, and clearly they're a little smushed from wearing the bonnet and sleeping, but who cares, girl? We about to fluff it out anyway, so I just took them down. And I hope y'all can see this, but there is shine, honey. There is shine. Now, we're not looking oil sheen shiny, but we looking moisturized shiny.
Look like art, hot hills. Look like art, on it, look like art, look like art.
And then here you see me, I'm unraveling them gently. I used to rip them out for years, like when I would do bantu knots in the past, and didn't realize I was ripping out my hair. So yeah, I'm doing it gently, kind of dividing where the natural curl wants to separate. And yes, look at that definition, honey. We love to see it.
Happy rest still Andy. All I need is good energy. I don't know too many. Looking like a 3-day weekend. Hit it on me, then can't believe it. Oh, they like me now. Yeah, go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, do you think of me when I'm not around? Jaw hit the ground when you walk around. Looking like, look like art, 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 look like art. Shawty, you look like. I hear you like pina coladas, like that she not one for drama.
Also, y'all ain't gotta tell me I got bags in my eyes. I know, honey, I know. I be looking like a catfish in my Instagram pictures, boy.
Looking like, look like art, hot hills. Look like art, on it, look like art, look like art, look like art, look like art. Looking like. Then she met me at the college. Her friends play my songs and they been following me. Yeah, I don't like to do that much explaining and talking. Just know she had coffee with me. Yeah, I hear you like pizza and dancing. Love that is not that romantic. Yeah, I don't have no time for no antics. Smile, smile for the cameras. Oh, they like me now. Go ahead, wipe me down. She don't got a man, cause he ain't lock it down. Hey, do you think of me when I'm not around? Jaw hit the ground when you walk around. Looking like.
And then when I'm fluffing the back, I'm just making sure to make it extra fluffy since that's where I didn't have any knots sticking out and it's a little flat. So just fluff, fluff, fluff. And then this clip is actually from the second time that I did them, and they turned out different both times, as you can see. The last clip was, they came out like tighter, and this clip they came out more like fluffy and voluminous. I don't know which one I like more, because I really do like the effortless fluffy look. Like, it's cute. It's cute. Also, feel free to ignore that white thing in my hair. I don't know what that was. Ciao. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hey, if you made it this far, shout out to you. You the goat, you the realist. Here's the hair. Yes, we love it. We love it. We love it. Anyways, bye. JK, bye.
Looking like blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way.